Hi everyone, it's Scott here. I'm in the living room because I don't want to be in my room the entire time. And that's because I'm doing the dishes and I'm letting that frying pan soak with the power wash dish soap. So I'm gonna click on it in like 30 minutes to make sure it's clean. So today, guys, I'm doing the no burping challenge with my saucer. I know you want to hear the psst sounds. There's the sounds for making that sound. So let's get started. I think I'm in a cup so I don't have to get them from the bottle. I wanted to do the dishes with me. Who's there?
His mom.